Good morning, students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 of geography, that is weather and climate. Dear students, in this module we will talk about weather and climate and its elements. Weather and climate are the basic elements of the natural environment. Both these terms are widely used in our day to day life. We usually use them synonymously, but in reality, they are different from each other. The day to day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc., is called the weather at that place. The temperature, humidity, rainfall, snowfall, wind speed, etc., are called the elements of the weather. Dear students, the weather at a place changes every day. Sometimes it is more warm, more humid, more cloudy, or more windy. Sometimes it is less warm, less humid, less cloudy, or less windy. It may rain for an hour in the morning and then become sunny and clear right after that. Now we will talk about climate. Climate is derived from the Greek word klima, which means slope zone. Climate is defined as the average weather conditions at a particular place over a long period of time. The climate does not vary from place to place. It remains unchanged for a long periods of time. So we can say that climate refers to a long-term pattern of weather in a region. It refers to the average temperature, average rainfall, average sunshine, average wind speed, etc. Climate affects the landforms, vegetables, soil types, agricultural activities, etc. Dear students, the kind of clothes we wear, the food we eat, and the houses in which we live are intimately related to the climate. Let's talk about the difference between weather and climate. Weather relates to the daily atmospheric changes and conditions. It can change many times in a day. Weather changes occur over a small region, for example, weather of Chandigarh. While climate represents atmospheric conditions over a longer period of time, it remains constant for a long period. Climate changes relate to a larger region, for example, climate of India. Now we will talk about the elements of weather and climate. The following are the major elements of weather and climate which affect our atmosphere on a large scale, such as temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, moisture. So let's talk about temperature. Temperature is a measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. The maximum temperature of the day occurs in the afternoon as the earth gets heated by the sun. At night, as the sun rays do not fall at that place, it cools down, thereby bringing down the temperature. Minimum temperature occurs early in the morning. Dear students, special thermometers are used for measuring the temperature and are called as maximum and minimum thermometers. Let's talk about the factors affecting temperatures. Dear students, all parts of the earth do not get the same amount of heat. Temperature changes from place to place and from time to time. The main factors responsible for influencing temperature on the earth are latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, and ocean currents. So one by one we will discuss all these factors. First of all, we will talk about latitude. Dear students, the amount of heat is the greatest near the equator and starts decreasing as we move away from the equator towards poles because the equator receives the direct sun rays. That's why the northern India is colder than the southern India. Next, altitude. Dear all, altitude means height. As we go up temperature start decreases. That's why we feel cold on the mountains. Next, distance from the sea. Water takes longer to heat or cool. So the places near the sea or any larger water body have moderate temperature. It means there is no difference between seasons, there is no difference between day and night. And last, ocean currents. Dear students, ocean currents are of two types, cold ocean currents and hot ocean currents. Cold ocean currents decreases the temperature of the coastal areas and hot ocean currents increases the temperature of the coastal areas. So dear all, that was all about this module. Thank you.